Hey, Ricardo Pizzarella here. Today I'm going to make for you something very easy with Mama Mary's original pizza crusts. They're already made. And Wendy's chili. Hot from the drive-thru Wendy's chili. I'm going to put the chili on the pizza and we're going to have a chili pizza. You like that? First of all, let me prepare my dough. See if I get them flipping like Eddie the pizza. What do you think? It's just going to be homemade. You make it at home, it's homemade. This looks like a big old cracker. 2. Oh, what happened to yours? I can throw it up in the air like Antonio Pizzarella, Eddie the pizza. How's that? That's nice? You like that, right? Let's do this again. Oh, one more thing. I'm going to use my Pizzazz rotating pizza oven. Did you ever see that? That's amazing. I'll show you. Has a pizza pan. You put the crust on. You take your ingredients, whatever you like. Today I like Wendy's chili. Did you ever have a Wendy's chili pizza? Me neither. Look at this. Let's get to the tool. What kind of a tool do I need? Let me get a spoon. Oh, it smells good. Maybe I needed 2 cups of chili, no? And now, you make it your own. That's like a nice thin layer of sauce, meat, beans. And now I can make it how I like with a little, yes, mozzarella. Just like Eddie the Pizza Man, no? Oh, what else I like? I like this. I like a lot of stuff. Where's my cheese? My cheese straight from the dairy farm today. The cow's grease on the side of the hill. Put your cheese. You spin it around. Keep it spin. Nice. You know what they say? She's fun making a pizza, no? I like the cheese. Oh, yes. You wait till you see this. You wait till you smell this. You wait till you taste this. Taking my hot peppers. Just for fun. Just for fun with the hot peppers. How hot can they be? They're not hot. They don't bite back. All right. You love it? Come over here to the Pizzazz Pizza Oven. Okay, here she is. Plug it in. Well, she spins already. I'm going to turn it up to 15 minutes. And you can choose the upper heating element or the lower or dual. And I have it on dual. Because we're going to cook from the top and the bottom. And we're going to have the first ever Wendy's pizza pie. Until they see this and they make it next week. Just name it Ricardo Pizzarella. I'll show you the progress. Beautiful, isn't it? Do you have a Pizzazz pizza oven? That's fun. There it is, about halfway through. In fact, it was down to 4 minutes and I turned it back up to 10, so it's been in there 20 minutes. Do you love it? It's getting brown. Let's look underneath. Oh, almost. Okay. I like a little browner. Look at that. Cheese is looking good. The hot peppers smell real good. Chili on the sides coming up. You're gonna make one of these? You can leave the hot peppers off if you want. They're mild anyway. But they're peppers. Or add green peppers and onions. Or pepperoni. I'm making a blue cheese. Any kind of cheese you like. 5 more minutes. Alright, that's about as brown as I'd like it because these edges are getting brown, moving in. But look at it. Look at it bubbling there. Can you see that? It's going to be so good. Let me unplug this. That was like 23 minutes altogether. Oh, you heard about it, huh? I can't come out now, I'm eating. Okay, let me move this over to the table so I can slice it up. I need some oven mitts or something. It's going to be hot. Wendy's chili. Where is it? Oh, you missed it, didn't you? Time to eat. First ever Wendy's chili pizza pie. Ooh. I needed a pizza cut. Crunchy, 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 crunchy. What do you think? 4 slices or 8? I think a generous 4 slicer. That's gonna be good. Oh, I gotta let it cool. Don't want to burn off my soup strainer. Straight from the kitchen of Ricardo Pizzarella. Look at that baby. You think she's a slow motion? No way. That's a fast speed. Oh, a little garlic. Woohoo! Let it cool. Let it cool, fool. Let's look underneath. How's it look to you? Oh, I'm gonna cheese the slide off. Oh, remember there's delicious chili in there? Whew. Mamma mia! That was Mama Mary's pizza crust. Never saw that before till today. Take another bite. Too hot. Still too hot. Ooh, it got cool in here all of a sudden. You feel a draft?
Mm-hmm. I think your hat and flatten it out a little bit.
This is one of them things that's a lot better when you let it sit a little bit. I'm scared to take a bite because it's going to be hot. Do this. I'm scared, Eddie. I'm scared. Oh, I ain't scared no more. Oh. I hope you get to try this. It's good and easy. Make your own crust or whatever kind of crust you have, or cut a loaf of French bread down the middle and pour some Wendy's chili in it and put some cheese on it and put it in the oven. It's good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon. Ah! You're going back. Have a nice night. Ah! All right. Who wants some? Oh, the guy's still at the door, huh? All right. What?